Hey there, IT pros. Today I'm diving into the essentials of cloud-native security for modern businesses. With more companies moving to cloud-native environments, security must keep up with the dynamic changes. Let's get started. First off, what is cloud-native security? It's all about protecting applications built in cloud environments. Think microservices, containers, and serverless functions. These are small, independent services that communicate via APIs, making your infrastructure more flexible but also more complex to secure. Now let's talk about key security strategies you can't afford to miss. Number 1, embrace zero trust. Don't trust anything by default. Verify every access request and apply strict access controls. Next, identity and access management, or IAM. Strong IAM controls ensure the right people have the right access. Use role-based access control and multi-factor authentication to keep things tight. Moving on, secure your containers. From development to deployment, make sure you're using trusted base images and scanning for vulnerabilities. And don't forget runtime security. Monitor for any suspicious behavior. Encryption is non-negotiable. Encrypt data in transit and at rest to protect sensitive information. Use services like AWS KMS for secure queue management. Automate security with DevSecOps. Integrate security checks into your development pipeline to catch issues early. Use automated tools for continuous testing and compliance. Finally, monitor and respond in real time. Use tools like Prometheus and AWS CloudWatch for real-time logging and metrics. Set up alerts and have a clear incident response plan. So there you have it. Essential cloud-native security tips to keep your business protected. Adopting these strategies will help you navigate the complexities of cloud-native environments and keep your data safe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.